Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making blueberry bread. That's right, not a blueberry muffin, but a blueberry loaf bread. And this is interesting because it called to chop up those blueberries coarsely so that supposedly they'll be in every bite. Well, I don't know. I don't think I've ever chopped blueberries before in my life, so there's a first time for everything. This recipe also says you can add in almond extract, which I'm going to do, which I think will just amp up the flavor, but it's optional. You could leave it out. You could also add in some cardamom if you like, which will, again, amp that flavor up just a little bit. I'm leaving it out of mine because I'm not a huge cardamom fan, but it's totally up to you, and you can adjust it to your liking. Of course, I was inspired by this song. I found my thrill on this blueberry, in this blueberry bread. It will. It's going to be thrilling. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your loaf pan ready to go. Either spray it really well or put some parchment paper in there. All-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, whisk together, butter. Cream the butter for just a minute. Sugar, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, almond extract. Beat together until pale and creamy for about 2 minutes. Add 1 egg at a time. Add another egg. Add your last egg. Add your dry ingredients. Do not turn that beater on. You're gonna stir it a little bit first because otherwise you will have a cloud of flour. Tip for the day, beat until just combined. Add your coarsely chopped blueberries, holding back about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Stir to incorporate. You want them as evenly distributed as possible, but you know, a lot of times heavy fruits and things will settle to the bottom of the bowl, which is why sometimes we'll put their fruit in flour before they actually put it in some sort of mixture. But we're gonna go with it and assume that this chopping coarsely is gonna work for us. Add your batter to the bowl, to your pan, I mean. Spread it out gently in your pan. Scatter that 1 to 2 tablespoons of blueberries just right on top. Let's make your topping a little bit of salt and some sugar. Again, if you were using cardamom, you could use it, add a little bit here too if you'd like. Sprinkle your mixture evenly as you can over your blueberry bread. Into the oven for 55 to 65 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, but I'm also going to check the internal temperature, which should be 200 degrees. It's been about an hour. Let's check it. Feel free to use a paring knife for this, but I'm just going to be really exact here to see if it hits 200 degrees. There we go. It is done, and this came out pretty clean. Take it out, let it rest in the pan for about 30 minutes, and then put it on a cooling rack to cool completely. Look at this fantastic piece of blueberry bread. Can see all of the blueberries did sort of scatter throughout. Fantastic. And of course, it's got that like sugary top. So, you know, it's all in the taste. So let's give this a bite. This tastes great. It's like a really great blueberry muffin, but it's got those almonds throughout. And I love the fact that those chopped blueberries, you're going to get more blueberry pieces in your mouth at the same time. This is utterly delicious. If I can make blueberry bread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends and make for your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on TikTok and Instagram for a whole lot more.